Experiencing trouble connecting your Garmin watch to your new phone? You're not alone. This is a common issue, particularly with newer phone models and operating systems like iOS 18 and Android 15. The main culprit is often Bluetooth incompatibility due to optimizations in phone OSs and occasional glitches in Garmin's firmware. We'll break down why this happens and, most importantly, how to fix it. Your Garmin watch relies on Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, to communicate wirelessly with your phone. This technology enables efficient data transfer without draining battery life. Data syncs between the watch and phone through the Garmin Connect app, which acts as the bridge for transferring fitness data, notifications, and settings. The Garmin Connect app requires Android version 10 or higher or iOS version 15 or higher to function correctly. Using an older operating system can prevent proper connectivity. The connection process can fail due to mismatched Bluetooth protocols between devices, incorrect app permissions, especially for location and GPS access, or cached data that interferes with pairing. Compatibility is key for successful pairing. Older watch software versions may not be compatible with the latest phone operating system updates, requiring firmware updates to maintain connectivity. Before attempting to connect to your new phone, it's crucial to properly disconnect from your old one. Start by forgetting or unpairing the watch from your old phone's Bluetooth settings. This action disconnects the Bluetooth link between your old phone and the Garmin watch, preparing for a fresh connection. Then, perform a reset on your Garmin watch. This is typically done by holding down the power button or specified buttons for your model for about 15 seconds until the Garmin logo appears. This clears out old pairing data, creating a clean slate. Next, uninstall and reinstall the Garmin Connect app on your new phone. This ensures you have the latest version, which often includes bug fixes and improved compatibility. When you reinstall, pay close attention to the permissions it requests. Location and GPS permissions are essential for Bluetooth pairing to function correctly. Grant these permissions when prompted to enable proper connectivity between your phone and Garmin watch. Here's a helpful trick. Enable airplane mode on your Garmin watch for about 10 seconds, then disable it. This effectively resets the Bluetooth module on the watch, which can resolve many connectivity issues. It's a quick and easy step that often works wonders. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved the connectivity issue, check for firmware updates. Connect your Garmin watch to your computer using a USB cable. Open Garmin Express software on your computer. It will automatically check for available firmware updates for your watch and guide you through the installation process. As a last resort, perform a factory reset of your Garmin watch. This will erase all data, so back up important information first using Garmin Connect. After backing up, initiate the factory reset through the watch settings. This provides a completely clean slate for pairing with your new phone. Many users encounter connectivity issues when switching to new phones. For example, a Forerunner 955 owner moved from a Samsung Galaxy S23 to a Pixel 8 Pro. The problem stemmed from Android's stricter privacy settings that prevented Bluetooth Low Energy scans from working properly. After resetting the watch and updating its firmware to the latest version, the pairing process worked. It took about 45 minutes, which is typical for this type of issue, but highlights how user troubleshooting can resolve most problems. Another significant incident was the Garmin Connect blackout in October 2025. A server outage occurred during iOS updates, temporarily preventing users from pairing their watches. This affected approximately 500,000 users worldwide for about 12 hours. This case highlighted the importance of Garmin's system reliability. In response, Garmin improved their cloud infrastructure with enhanced redundancy measures to minimize such disruptions in the future. On a positive note, a Venu 2 user participating in Garmin's 2026 beta program experienced instant pairing with an iPhone 16. This was made possible by the new AI-driven troubleshooter in the Garmin Connect app, which reduced the typical fix time from 30 minutes to just 5 minutes. This example demonstrates how emerging technologies like AI can significantly improve the user experience and make troubleshooting much more efficient. The future of Garmin connectivity looks promising, with advancements that will make pairing and troubleshooting much easier. Garmin is actively working on smoother integrations with phone ecosystems through partnerships with Google and Apple, reducing manual fixes by 30% in beta tests. AI assisted troubleshooting, already present in the Garmin Connect app, is becoming more sophisticated with features like Chat GPT like tools for personalized fixes, reducing fix time from 30 minutes to 5 minutes in beta programs. Looking ahead, quantum secured Bluetooth could eliminate 90% of connection drops, while hybrid connectivity in models like the upcoming Venu 4 will enable over the air updates. AI could resolve 80% of problems autonomously by 2028, based on machine learning trained on millions of user interactions. Ultimately, expect more seamless and automated pairing experiences in the future, minimizing the need for manual troubleshooting.